Now, the next one is when we say, same thing, when a verb ends in D, so ends in D, or DE, okay? So here we have T or TE, yeah? Great, okay. So, same thing here. So the opposite of start is end, or stop. You could say stop, but let's use end, okay? End. End ends in a D. And 呢個係動詞啊，呢個係動詞。呢個係未來係咪？未來過去 sorry not future but sorry 唔好意思 okay, so it's a regular verb and is a regular verb and it has one sound, one syllable. In the simple present tense it has one syllable. Now when we want to put it in the past tense, we need to add ed, so it becomes then did. So this is how you say it, and this is of course how you write it, okay? Ended. So it has two syllables right now, two sounds, and we say ended. Now, the next one is